Welcome back to Bruce channel. Well, if you own a Oculus Quest VR headset, you will realize that it's very heavy and also always rest on your face and then pain, tired kind of thing. But I found a way that I can save some money without invest the HTC Vive headset band. Because you can upgrade to that for more comfortable experience, and that set is quite expensive. So now I'm CEO, we don't have income, so I had to get around it. So then I found this thing. I found one thing that I buy from Mr. DIY before from my work. This PPE set from INGCO, and then the backside got the headband. But you see there's nothing here. I think you already got it. Yes, I take it out and I put in my headset. Yeah, sorry about the plastic around that. I just do a quick prototype to fit test how it is work. And I found that it worked really nice. Just hit it on and then tie it on my head. Okay, as you can see, I can hold it like this, and I adjust it to the right place. Well, yeah, and now it is not touch on my face. It got a little bit gap, and also feel comfortable. And this one can adjust on the top. So also one thing, I remain the original part. I'm not cutting the original band. I keep everything still here. I use the band as a structure to hold on another extra PPE parts, and this PPE can got released from the back. And if you like me, always one person use, I think it's easy modify just some tape or something, then you can find a very comfortable solution. The reason I want to do this because I use it for 3D modeling in learning now, and when I do it always take few hours. It's very tired on my face. So, and this solution I just use, I think it's so far the best one I have. Of course, I will make something other bracket to hold it, make it more look nice. This is somehow prototyping to make sure it's work. I think it's good. How about you? If you think the idea can be continued, if even you don't think so, I will still make a bracket kind of attachment to add on top. Well, why do I do this? Not buying that. There is some solution already ready-made product like the HTC Vive, the back headset that will be a lot comfortable. But I don't like that because I don't need a headphone, and the thing is so expensive. Well, the PPA I just spent around 30 ringgit Malaysia. 30 ringgit Malaysia. So I think it's a big deal for me. So I'm going to design the special bracket at the side and on the top to hold it. Well, that won't spend so much. I guess everything will be bring down crazy cheap. So yeah, I'm so excited to use it like this right now. Even it looks really bad, but I feel very good. But if it look better, I believe you will like it too. So stay tuned for my channel, and I'm going to share the process of how I design it in next or future videos. I'm not upload all the time, so ring the bell below, then you know when I'm going to update the videos. See you next video. Bye.